Hi, my name is Hayden. Today I'll be doing the Thursday questions. So the first question is, there are 471 trees at Birchmere Park. To the nearest 100, about how many trees are there at Birchmere Park? So to find this out, we need to, first of all, you have to know what the number is in the 100 spot, which is 4. So to figure this out, we need to go to the 10 spot to see if we can round that 4 up. And if it's 5 or above, we can. So, and that number's 7, so that means we can round that 4 up to a 5. But instead of keeping any numbers right here, we turn those into zeros, so your answer should be 500. Our second question is, on Valentine's Day, Jesse wants to give each of his 8 best friends 3 lollipops. How many lollipops will he need to buy? So, if he has 8 friends, and he wants to give them 3 lollipops, you're going to have to multiply for each. So the reason you're doing this is because each friend will get 3 lollipops. So when you do this, you're just going to add all of the friends to it. So 3 times 8 equals 24. So overall, you have to get 24 lollipops. Our next question is, find the quotient. So it says 45 divided by 5. That would be 9. This next one says 45 divided by 9. So you do that, you go into that, that'd be 5. On this one, it says 36 times 12. When you do that, you see how many times 12 can add up into 36, which should be 3. And 8 to 48, that would be 6. Because 6 times 8 equals 48. Okay, so our next problem is find the missing number. So it says 6 over 2 equals blank and 5 over 5 equals blank. So first of all, we're going to do 5 over 5 equals blank because that is one of the easier ones. So when you have 5 over 5, you know that's going to be one whole, because if you have 5 in total, and you need 5, that would give you a whole. And on this one, you have more than you need. You have 6 over 2. So what you have to do is 6 divided by 2. So what you can always imagine is this bar right here being a division bar. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So your answer is going to be 3. So here's our next question. On Monday, Lewis watched half of an hour of TV. On Tuesday, he watches 1/6 of an hour of TV. On which day did Lewis watch more TV? So you're gonna write 1/2 and 1/6. So you're going to compare those numbers. So we're going to simplify the fractions. So both of these numbers can have the number 2 go into them, but we're just doing the denominators. So 2, you do 2 divided by 2, and that equals 1. So that equals 1 whole. If you do this, that equals 1/3. Lewis watched more TV on Monday. So your answer would be Monday. Okay, so we've already done the movie problem with the timeline. So we're going to go on to our last 2. So our last 2 questions are, a strawberry has a mass of 18 grams. If there are 10 strawberries, what is the total mass of all the strawberries? So what you're going to do is write 18 and then you're going to do a 10. But instead of putting that 10 right there where it is, what you can do is write your 18, put the 1 under the 8, and put the 0 to the side. That way you know you can just drop that 0. So you do 8 times 1 equals 8, and 1 times 1. So overall, it would equal 180 grams. So here's our last question. The perimeter of the regular hexagon is 18 inches. What is the length of each side? Well, in total, what we're going to write here is 18 because that's how many total inches the perimeter of the hexagon is. And down here it gives you a hint which says regular hexagons have 6 equal sides. So our hint here is the number 6, okay? So what you're going to want to do is write 18 and put a division bar in front of it and write 6. So 6 goes into 18 3 times, which means each side of this whole hexagon will be 18 once you add all of the 3's up. So what we're going to, just to show you, I'm going to do, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides in total. So what you're going to do is 6 times 3, and that's going to equal 18 inches. So in all, you are going to have 3 inches for each side.